और हम तो सब उठ के सबसे पहले तो सोशल मीडिया खोलते हैं, बिकॉज यू आर वांटेड बाय मेनी पीपल, इजंट इट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील दैट the affairs of the Nagpur corporation would not run smoothly if you don't open up your social media in the morning? Sorry, I'm at the lower level. Let me go at the right level. How many of you feel that the PMO won't run properly without you if you don't open your social medias in the morning? Dilip is saying all of us, and that is why you're opening. Sachin Tendulkar said, I first face 500 deliveries in the morning and then I touch my mobile phone. Principles, disciplines, only that gives you high level performances. सपना है, साथ में परसिवियरेंस चाहिए, डिसिप्लिन चाहिए, पुरुषार्थ चाहिए, समय देना पड़ता है. All of us know many things about 2G, 3G, 4G, cold scam, this and that. बहुत पढ़ा, बहुत टाइम निकाला. कितना उपयोग में आया? हाँ, 2-3 बार चर्चा की होगी, जिसका नाम बाहर आया उसको गाली भी 1-2 दे दी होगी. उससे ज्यादा कुछ काम में आया? You must think. Headlines पढ़ लेना, मैं भी पढ़ता हूं. Things that are not relevant to you, your dream, your goal and your life, don't give time to it. Because this is a 70 or 80-year game. You have to play it beautifully. Only then you celebrate your existence. You know you sleep 8 hours a day. You must be telling me that, Swamiji, I sleep 6 hours a day. Then when you were a child, you were sleeping 10 hours a day, and in your old age, you'll be sleeping 10 to 12 hours a day. In an average, every person sleeps for 8 hours a day during his entire lifetime. Out of 24 hours a day, 8 hours he sleeps. So 1/3 of the day is sleeping. Straight equation, 1/3 of the life he will sleep. That means if you live upon this earth for 70 years, 70, your 23 years will go in bed, sleeping. You don't know whether you exist or not. कभी इसके बारे में सोचा है कि अगर मैं 70 साल इस पृथ्वी पे रहूं, 70 years, मेरे 23 वर्ष सोने में चले जाने वाले हैं. You brush for 3.5 minutes a day. Your good more than 100 days of life goes in brushing your teeth. Now I don't want to give you the figures of timings in front of the mirror, okay? The amount of time you must be spending in front of the mirror. देखना है, इस एंगल से देखना है, इस एंगल से देखना है. अभी कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. तकलीफ यह है कि एवरीबडी स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर एक्चुअली फील्स कि अगर 10% इंप्रूवमेंट होता ना, तो आई वुड हैव बीन इन वन ऑफ द वुड्स. हॉलीवुड, बॉलीवुड, टॉलीवुड, कॉलीवुड, फॉलीवुड, एनी ऑफ द वुड्स. अगर 10% कुछ भगवान ने शक्ल अच्छी कर दी होती, अगर कहीं को तो ऐसा लगता है कि सब कुछ अच्छा ही है, ये लोग मुझे जानते नहीं है इसलिए बुलाते नहीं है, पहचानते नहीं है इसलिए मुझे वहां बुलाते नहीं. वरना मुंबई में, गोरेगांव में मुझे भी फिल्म सिटी में बुला लेते. एवरी पर्सन स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर ऑलवेज फील्स दैट आई शुड गेट द टाइटल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. आगे जो भी हो, मिस, मिसेस, मिस, वो भी, जो भी कुछ. अब उसमें कुछ फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. वॉट आई मीन टू से इज, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू सेलिब्रेट योर एग्जिस्टेंस अपॉन दिस अर्थ, first have a goal and devote your entire time, energy, your money, everything towards reaching that aim and goal. Don't get diverted in terms of time, especially. वो बहुत कम है. समय नया पैदा हुआ लड़का के लिए भी यही डेफिनेशन है कि समय बहुत कम है. तो आपके लिए तो है ही. Anybody who is above 70 is enjoying a bonus, huh? आप ये मानते हो कि समय कम है, समय के लिए आप क्या बोलेंगे? समय है, ज्यादा है या कम है? गिव मी योर ओपिनियन. सब बोलेंगे कम है. Not because you are sitting here, I'm delivering something to you regarding this since last 15 minutes. ये प्रिंसिपल थॉट मन में रखना, तो you will always be focused on your dream, on your goal. And as I said, dream is as in a professional career, in a social career, and in a personal life, all three sectors of your existence. Then only you enjoy life. You tread that path. हर एक के लिए सब कुछ तो होना नामुमकिन है. So first is your dream and your goal, एक सपना. So I give you a lesson. Leaving this place, going back to your homes, do the first thing. Take a pen in your hand and write something. After that goal that is decided, after that dream that you have decided, perseverance, energy behind it. As I said, Sachin faces 500 deliveries, used to face every day in the morning. He was asked, what if you have scored a century or double century on the previous day? Sachin said, even then, the next morning at 6, I'm at the nets. That makes him the god of cricket and the greatest batsman to walk the planet. That makes him 30,000 plus runs at the international level and 200 test matches. Unbelievable records. Perseverance and energy. Remember, the heights attained and capped by great personalities were never attained by southern flights. But they, while their companions slept, were toiling upwards at night. जब रात की चैन निंद्रा में सब सोते हैं, तब जो विनर्स होते हैं, वे लोग पुरुषार्थ करते थे. परसिवियरेंस एंड एनर्जी. भगवान ने सबको शक्ति दी है. वो शक्ति का पूरा यूज जीवन में हमें करना चाहिए. If you go back to heaven with your energy conserved, God is going to slap you. I gave you so much of amount of energy to work and express yourself. Why didn't you use it? Using your optimum energy during your entire human life is celebrating your existence. And you must do it. दुनिया के सबसे धनाढ्य बिजनेसमैन है बिल गेट्स. उन्होंने पुस्तक लिखा है, अपना जीवन चरित्र लिखा है, बिजनेस एट द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. और उस पुस्तक में उन्होंने लिखा है, द सीक्रेट ऑफ माई सक्सेस, बिकॉज यू नो, परहैप्स यू नो, माइट नॉट बी नोइंग दैट इज अ हाई स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट. 8वीं कक्षा तक ही वे पढ़े हैं. 8th का भी एग्जाम नहीं दिए. He has not appeared for the exams of 8th standard. And recently in the same school, he was made a chief guest for a cultural program. और प्रिंसिपल ने कहा कि आप जो क्लास में बैठते थे वो पूरा बिल्डिंग रेनोवेट करना है, तो वी नीड लाइक अबाउट $200,000. बिल गेट्स ने अपने सेक्रेटरी को बुला के कहा कि $1 million दे दो. जिस स्कूल में से उनको निकाला गया था. ये तो एक प्रसंग है. What I want to tell you is that he writes the mantra, the secret of his success in life, a Microsoft empire. He writes, now listen very carefully. The secret of my success is a culmination of 3 things. First, determination. Second, intense hard work. And third, acceptance of the ideas of others. These 3, he says, is the secret of my success. Intense hard work. कठोर परिश्रम का कोई विकल्प नहीं है. Everybody has to work hard. You know, there is a proverb in the North African jungle that every morning when the sun rises, the slowest deer has to at least run faster than the fastest lion to see the evening. And the slowest lion has to run faster than the fastest deer to see the evening. समझे आप? Then the writer puts, whether you are the deer or the lion, when the sun rises, you have to run. आप हिरण हैं या शेर हैं, जो भी हैं, लेकिन सूर्योदय हुआ आपको दौड़ना पड़ेगा. Whether you are the deer or the lion, when the sun rises, you must run. You have to run. They have to run in jungles and you have to run in concrete jungles, but you have to run. You have to run. So intense hard work, perseverance, tremendous amount of energy. The great musician Beethoven was once performing at the RCMH in New York, the Radio City Music Hall, perhaps among the top 3 most prestigious venues to perform. A 7-story gallery hall, auditorium, 7 layers. After the performance, a young fan, he ran up to him and said, "Sir, I also play piano like you." Beethoven was happy. "Sir, I want to ask you a question." Beethoven said, "Yes." "Sir, can someday I play like you?" Beethoven said, "Yes." "Sir, really? Can someday I can play like you?" Because Beethoven was the first person to play the piano with both the hands. And Beethoven said, "Yes." "Sir, how? Give me a good tip." And Beethoven said, "Tip is very simple. Very simple. Sir, please share with me the idea. Share with me the tip. If it's so simple, I'll definitely work on it. I want to perform like you one day in this RCMH in front of 6,000 audience." Again Beethoven said, "The tip is very simple. Sir, please." And Beethoven said just one line which has become famous. He said, 18 hours a day, 40 years, and you will play like me. रोज के 18 घंटा, 18 hours a day, 18 घंटे, 40 साल. 40 years, 18 hours a day. Do it. Then you will perform like me. सब कुछ यहीं से मिलता है. थोड़ा अंदर से मिलता है, थोड़ा बाहर से मिलता है. अंदर तकदीर है, बाहर पसीना है. मिलता है सब यहीं से. थोड़ा अंदर से मिलता है, थोड़ा बाहर से मिलता है. अंदर हमारी तकदीर होती है और बाहर पसीना होता है. लेकिन बाहर का जो पसीना है ना, उससे अंदर की तकदीर खिलती है. डेस्टिनी गेट्स वाटर्ड by your sweat.